In this video, I'm going to be going over some really cool visual effects and other things that you can do with Camtasia Studio version 8 for Windows. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to import a background movie clip, and I'm going to import it and click on Open. It's just a WMV file, and it's a background effect. And I'm going to move that to the track 1, move it to the very beginning. You can see here that it's I'm going to use 1280 by 720. It was originally created in 960 by 540, but I want to move it to the full 720p, which is right here. And when I do that, you'll see that it's a little bit smaller. So I'm going to expand this to go to the 720p right there. Okay, and that's the first thing that I will do. So if I play this video, it gives a nice little background effect or some smoke happening on underneath. And you'll see the first thing that I want to do here is a really cool trick, is that this background already comes with audio. But say, for example, I want to use a different audio on this video clip. Well, with Camtasia Studio version 8, you can do that. You right click and you click on Separate Video and Audio. You see that? Click on there, and what it does, it separates the video and the audio. And right here, I can delete the audio and I can add a different audio to go with this background. So right here, it's just blank. You see that? And I can add a different audio to that. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to undo that and bring the original audio back. The next thing that we're going to do, we're going to do some really cool animations that's going to be text. It's going to expand and like it's coming at you. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to callouts and I'm going to add a text callout. And it's going to add a text callout right here, and I'm going to enter the words, "This is my first text," and I'm going to make this white so that you can actually see it. And it's going to start off small, and you can see here that if I'm going to make sure it's highlighted here with my mouse, I'm going to click on it, come down below, I'm going to have no fade out, but I'm going to have a fade in. So it's going to fade in, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to have this not only fade in, but I'm going to do an animation so that it comes and expands. I'm going to put it in the middle there, it expands right at you. So I want to go to Visual Properties, and I'm going to click on Animation, and I'm going to bring that to, I would say to about 321. There you go, 321%. And then I'm done. So now here's the animation right there down below. So I'm going to bring that to the clip, and I'm going to bring it down to the very beginning, and it's going to go to the very end of it. And I just want to play it and see where the transition is musically. And then I'm going to add another one. See, if I listen to the music, you can add another one right here. Go to callouts, and I want to make sure I put it up here. And I'm going to add the text. Maybe I'll just put it right next to it there. And I'm going to add a fade to it. The fade is already in. And I'm going to do another animation. Go to Visual Properties, Animation, and it's going to go to 321. I already know the numbers. 321. You see that? And there's the animation there. I'm going to expand it to the very end, and it's going to go to the beginning, and I'm going to change the text. Instead of "this is my first text," this is my second text. All right, so now if I go to the very beginning, you'll see that it's going to play the music and it's going to shoot at you. See this? The second text coming right at you. Very cool effect. So that's exactly how you do some special effects using Camtasia Studio version 8 for Windows. Thank you.